Good day, everyone. In this episode, I will show you a script that compiles a C file but does not link, right? So we've all known the process of executing file in C programming language from pre-processing. We have the compilation, we have the linking, and we have the what the so we have the assembly and then we have the linking, right? So but in this program, I will show you how a file that's what I have written a script that compiles but does not link. So now what I have to do now is that let me first export it. Export to main. Sorry, the name of the file. Export C file equal to main.c. Right. So I've exported it. It's correct. Then let me output the main.c file to C. So yeah, everything is okay, running perfectly. Then what I have to do next is that first of all, let me clear. Then I will say let me run the file, and the name I've renamed it as a compiler, right? So let me check the Betty standard Betty, then one compiler to check if whether it meets with the Betty standard compiler. Okay, I think everything is okay. Then let me run it. Compiler. Fine. Okay. No. Okay. Not something is wrong. So okay. One compiler. Sorry. Compiler. I think everything is working perfectly. If I should list my file, I'll say that everything is working perfectly. And if I should if I want to see what the file that has run, if I'm to cut it out, I'll say cut. Let's say I say cut. Then I'll say v main.o, right? Then into pipe, then head that it just showed me the. So wow, perfectly, everything is running perfectly. Can you see that? So now this has printed the non-printable format of the program, which is working perfectly. Thank you, and see you in my next video.